Chevrolet Equinox 2010 to 2017. Removing the speaker itself is very easy, just disconnect the connector and unscrew 3 mounting bolts. However, you must first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew 1 bolt behind the door handle and 2 bolts in the armrest. Using plastic trim tool, pry the panel from the bottom to release the 7/8 clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.